Pati
there,
voice.
para lang po ano, is there any formula which can solve any employee-employer problems in an organization?
Not really. Wala naman talagang one formula for all. So I guess for an HR manager to be effective in solving problems, kailangan he looks every problem differently. So for a specific problem, iba yung solution. For another, iba siya.
Next question po. Do you agree that all managers, including accounting manager, purchasing manager, and etc., in an organization can be considered as HR managers as well?
Yes, kasi especially yung mga tao that na may hinahandle din kasi sila, 'di ba? So kailangan sila rin marunong mag-handle ng mga manpower nila.
Thank you, sir.